Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Max Made Simple. Today we are going to learn about multiplication with a series of 9. Multiplication with numbers like 99, 999, 9999, like that it goes, continuously it goes like this. We are going to see how exactly multiplication of series of 9 works out. Let us take an example of 653 multiplied with 999. In this, 999 is the multiplier and 653 is the multiplicand. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. When we have a problem of this, what we need to do, minus 1 from the multiplicand and put the answer on the left hand side of the answer. The answer will be split into two parts. I will be minusing 1 from this and putting it here. 653 minus 1 is 652. This is the left hand side part of the answer. The right hand side, each and every digit has to be minused from 9 and the answer has to be put on the right side. So 9 minus 6, it is 3. 9 minus 5, it is 4. 9 minus 2, it is 7. Now merge both the parts. The answer is 652 347. This is the answer for this particular problem. Is it clear? Now let us take one more problem where we have the number of digits are 4. For example, 4579. I want to multiply this with 9999. Now, as usual, I have to minus 1 from the multiplicand. Here the multiplicand is 4579. When I minus 1 from it, the answer is 4578, which forms the left hand side of the answer. The right hand side will be each and every digit I have to minus it from 9 and put the answer on the right hand side. First 9 minus 4, it will become 5. 9 minus 5, it is 4. 9 minus 7, it is 2. 9 minus 8, it is 1. Now let me merge both the parts. 4578 5421. This is the final answer for it. Probably we will see one more bigger problem also, so that the concept becomes very clear for you. Let me take a 5-digit number, 54632. If I multiply this with 99,999, all this forms part of the series of 9s. As usual, what we have to do is we have to minus 1 from the multiplicand. So when I minus 1 from 54,632, the answer will be 54631. On the right hand side, each and every digit I have to minus it from 9. That lead to the answer of 4538. I am merging both the side. The answer is 54631 45368. So such a big problem, we are able to find an answer for it in a matter of seconds. This is the power of Vedic Maths when it comes to multiplication of series of 9. Now, in all the 3 examples whatever we have discussed, we have seen the multiplicand and the multiplier. The number of digits are same. Am I right? If in case we get into a problem like this, 678 multiplied by say same 99,999. This is one case. The other one is we have 3876 multiplied by 999. In this case, the multiplicand is lower than the multiplier. In the second case, multiplicand is bigger than the multiplier. Multiple strategies and techniques of Vedic Maths. Kindly visit my website, the link for which is given in the description below. If you have doubt, kindly raise it in the comment box below. If you find this video useful for you, kindly like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.